Hello friends, I welcome you all to online learning. Today we are going to discuss the second part of the Capgemini previous year game-based aptitude questions. So if you have not seen the first part, then check that out first. The link is given in the description. So today let us start. The first question is we have to move this ball to the black hole, but we have to make sure that we are moving these blocks as less as possible, because the less the number of moves, the more will be your marks. So what we can do, first we can shift this purple box here. Second, we can shift the ball to one place. Then we can shift this green box upwards here. Then we can move the brown box first here, then here. So it will be present at this position. Then we will move this yellow box one downwards. It will be like, it will be here. Then one position rightwards. So it will be like this now. So the final position of all the boxes will be like this. The, the purple box will be here, the green box will be here, the brown box will be here, and the yellow box will present here. And the ball is currently here now. So now we have got free space, so we can move it here, then it will come here, it will go there, then finally to the black box. So we are making 7 moves. If you can solve this question by less than 7 moves, or you have any other better approach, you can tell me in the comment section. Now move to the next question of the same type. So here we can see we also have non-movable parts. These are non-movable parts and others are movable parts. So what we can do here, we can shift this blue box here. Then we will shift this orange box here. It will be like this. Then again we will shift this orange box one place right side. It will be like this. Then we can move this red ball from here, then here. So I want to give you one tip, that if you cannot find the logic, then simply skip the question. Don't waste your time, or don't mark, or don't do wrong answer. So let us now move to the next question. So here we have to find the missing part. What will be after this? So if you carefully observe, you can see both are having the same pattern, only one color is different. Orange here different, and but they are following the same pattern. So the question mark will contain like this pattern only, and this pattern is present only in this question. So it will be our answer. So by carefully observing the options only, we can find the answer. So you have to carefully observe what the question wants and what are the options. So you can do by elimination also. It will save your time. Now next, move to the next question. Here you have to find which is the odd one among this. So if you count this number of plus signs, they are 9 in number. Here you can see the numbers are 3, 6, 8. There are 3 plus 3 plus 1, 7 plus sign. So they are decreasing by 1. Here you have 6 plus signs. But again, here you are having 6 plus signs, but we should have 5 according to the pattern. So this is wrong. Now let us move to the next question. This question is very important, and it is 99% sure that you will get to see this type of question. So in this question, what you have to do, for 2 minutes of time, let us first understand this type of question. In this type of question, there will be number of, you will get a figure where different dots will be present. Okay, like this. And for 2 seconds, any of the dot will glow. For example, it will glow and it will be present for 2 seconds only. After 2 seconds, you will get a figure where you have to see that the both figures are symmetric or not symmetric. You have to choose yes or no. For example, is the both figures symmetric? Yes, the both figures are symmetric. Then you have to choose option yes. But at the current time, you have to remember in the first position which dot you have seen. Then after again 2 seconds, one of the dots will glow. For example, if this dot glow, you have to remember. Then again you will be able to see a picture where again you have to match if the two figures are symmetric or not symmetric. You have to choose yes or no. Then finally a box will appear like this. A box will appear where you have to mark that in which order these dots have been glown. So at first this dot have been glown, so it will be first, you have to mark it as first. Then this dot have been glown, so you have to mark it as 2. So this is a question typically of concentration. You have to first remember which dots are glowing. You can see this picture for 2 seconds. Then you have to mark their symmetric yes or no. It will be around of 7 seconds. You have to mark it within that time. Then you will be again seeing like this type of box and one figure will glow. Then you will again get to see if the figures are symmetric or not. Then finally you have to mark which dots have glown first. So you can do this by a trick that before uh, doing the question, you can make a grid type in your copy, and as soon as the bubbles are glowing, you can draw those bubbles in your copy. Like first you have drawn this, second you have drawn this. So at finally when you will see this type of grid where you have to mark, you can easily mark this as 1, this as 2. So this could be a trick. Okay, now let us move to the next question. So here we have to find the missing part. So if you carefully observe, you can see we are having only one x here. Here also we are having only one x. Here also we are having only one x. Here also we are having only one x. So in every row we are having only one x. So this is wrong, because if you are having this, these two rows are having 2x. This is also wrong because then the last row will be having 2x. This is also wrong, it is not matching our pattern. It is also wrong because otherwise third row will have 2x. So our answer will be this, both will be blank. So every row will be having 2x. So in this type of question, you have to match your answer by seeing the options and eliminate the options which are not correct. So that's all. We will be coming with more questions in our later videos. Hope you have liked our video. Like our channel, subscribe our channel, and also press the bell icon so you don't miss any notification or any updates when we are uploading the videos. Thank you.